Alright guys, kiss your old cages goodbye. Keely and Truman are moving to their new home. Alright guys, welcome to your new home. Look at these new cages. Truman, look at your new cage, it's red. Alright guys, look at your new cages. Ready to go and decorate them up? Truman, that's just like your cage, but a different color. I think Keely's already staked out which cage she wants and which one she's going to let Truman have. And putting on the water bottles for Keely and Truman. I'm Michael from TrainParrot.com, and this is Keely and Truman, and they're getting some new cages in the new bird room. So they're getting all new toys and a new setup. Alright, Truman, look at this toy you're going to get. Look at this. Truman, what do you think of that? Yeah, it's nice, huh? Yeah, you like that? Yeah, we're going to put that in your cage for later so you can try that out. Alright, here we go. We're going to put it right over here next to your boing so you can climb up and down and get all the pieces. And Kitty, look what you're going to get. Look at that. What do you think of that? Nice shredder toy for a little birdie like you. Ooh, yeah, it's nice, huh? What do you think of that? Yeah, it's a nice toy. Okay, you're excited about it. Well, we'll put that in for you so you can play with that later, too. I'll put it in right here for you. Oh, Kitty, look at this swing I got for you. You're going to like this. Hey, Tina! Look, these toys are for Keely and Truman. Hi, come here. Come over here. Come, Truman. Come. Come. Wow. Wow, Truman, look at these toys. These are your favorites. Oh, look at all the plastic pieces on there. Look at all this wood you got, too. Ooh, those are nice toys for you. Alright. Oh, Truman, you're sure excited about those. Truman, what do you think of that? Keely and Truman sure love new toys. Alright guys, ready to try your new cages? Alright, come here, Truman. Alright, go check out your new cage. Alright, Keely, time to go try your new cage. Alright, enjoy. Alright, Santina, look, you got some company in the room next door. Say hi.